Today we are going to discuss about annelids. Okay, annelids are bilateral symmetrical, triploblastic, coelomated and segmented animals. They are bilateral symmetrical, triploblastic, coelomated and coelomate. They are coelomate and segmented animals. Okay, and they show segmentation. Okay, both internally as well as externally. You can see here external segmentation is marked by small ring-like constriction in their outer body wall, and internally this segmentation is established by an ordered arrangement of their internal organs like nephridia, blood vessels, etc. Okay, an order, they have an order of arrangement in their internal organs. Okay, so they have both internal and external segmentation. And this internal segmentation, this in between segment we can see a septum. The septum separate two segments, or we can see a septum in between two segments. So they show metamerism, and in some cases they possess a small cilia like outgrowth from their body. It is called setae. You can see in this image small outgrowth from their body. It is called setae, and it is mainly for locomotion. And they have cuticular layer, outermost layer, that is cuticular layer, and this cuticular layer is secreted from epidermis. Okay, their epidermis will secrete cuticle, and their body wall consists of two types of muscles called, first one is circular muscle, second one is longitudinal muscle. So this kind of arrangement is called dermomuscular arrangement. Dermomuscular arrangement. Then their body have, okay, this image show how internal segmentation exhibit. You can see a nephridium here. Okay, nephridium, blood vessel, okay, blood vessel, dorsal, anterior blood vessel, etc. So internal segmentation. Then their body, first one, a head region. Okay, actually the region, three regions are there: head, trunk and tail regions. And the first segment is called peristomium. This one is peristomium. And the posterior most segment is called pygidium. Okay, pygidium. Okay, with a mouth is in the anterior region and anus is in the posterior region. And you can see another region called peristomium. Peristomium is the first segment. A region called prostomium you can see in this image. Okay, this one is prostomium. Prostomium. Prostomium is a dorsal lobe-like structure. This is prostomium, and the first segment peristomium. Okay, then they have a blood vessel. Their vascular system is closed type. They have blood vessels. You can see blood vessels in this image. Okay, dorsal blood vessels and ventral blood vessels are there, and blood is circulated through this vessel. So their vascular system is closed type. And also their nervous system have an anterior ring with the brain, and this brain is situated in the prostomial region. And double ring അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ganglia containing nerves are run across their body. Okay, so anterior nerve ring with the brain and the prostomium, ventral double ganglionated nerve cord run across their body. And this is about their nervous system. Next one is about their excretory system. You can see nephridium. Nephridium is the excretory organ in case of annelids. And last one, they reproduce through sexual means. Sometimes they are hermaphrodites or gonachors. Both they are reproduced through sexual means. Sometimes they are hermaphrodite. Sometimes they exhibit gonachorism. Okay. Then they also exhibit, some of the annelids also exhibit asexual reproduction also by regeneration or budding, etc. Then their developmental stage shows a larva, so they possess indirect development. So the larva is called trochophore larva. You can see a trochophore larva here. This is trochophore larva. The anatomy and details of this larva we will discuss in different types of these annelids. Okay, so tomorrow we will have class on classification and other types or types of annelids. Okay, so I will repeat. First one, there annelids are bilateral, triploblastic, coelomate animals. They exhibit metamerism. Okay, metamerism or segmentation both externally and internally. External metamerism is exhibited by a small constriction in their outer ring-like constriction in their outer body surface, and internally it is by ordered arrangement of the internal organs. Okay, and we have body wall consist of dorsomuscular arrangement, or they dermomuscular arrangement. That means they have body wall consist of circular and longitudinal muscle, as well as their some types of annelid consist of some bristle like structure called seta, and septum is present in between two segments. Then body consists of prostomium, trunk, pygidium, and prostomium is a dorsal flap-like structure present in the peristomial region, and blood vascular system is closed type, excretory system is through nephridia, and respiratory organs are absent. They respire through their body wall mainly, and they reproduce through sexual. Sometimes they can reproduce also by means of asexual reproduction like regeneration, and the development is indirect. They exhibit a larval form called trochophore larvae. Okay, thank you.